Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. A franchise is choosing one. 10-star general, you know my thing go. Already. The reason why I have to take it to them in the night here. See some look about on the internet about and I chat all kind of shit with them don't know about. Let me tell you something, if you don't know a shit about dancehall, don't run up your mouth. Don't say shit if you don't know nothing about dancehall, because enough of you know are some bumbuckler 2000 dancehall listeners. You know what I mean? Enough of you know. Only thing we're supposed to talk about are alkaline, popcorn, massacre, and probably mavado and cartel, because them artists don't know about. When you see big blood clot artists, you know, come on internet and get bright with blood clot big artists. When since you can just get up and say what you want to say, but big artists just to get media hype. Youth, you see the youth from Bumbuckler, tellu TV. Yo, when you come on the internet and I chat your blood clot more, make sure you know where you chat say, you know, youth. You know what I mean? Because disrespect Ninja Man, you know, youth. And you don't know nothing about Ninja Man down where your bumbuckler here. Because if you know nothing about Ninja Man, you won't know chat where your bumbuckler chat say. You know that? Let me tell you something, if you never know. You hear mavado say up like 7, right? And you hear Ninja Man say him straight, him up like 1. Because 7 bend. Who tell you say a mavado matter? Why you never say a mega force the man I use to? I saw mavado use mega force and Ninja Man I use none. I'm sure no look you to no love trouble, right? That's something you want to start up, right? Let me tell you something, you. Stop going like you know no sense. You hear me I tell you? Because back in the days Ninja Man do. And still right now, Ninja Man do. The wickedest dancehall music. Ninja Man do the wickedest dancehall song ever in a Jamaica. Ninja Man have that underneath him, girl. The song might be don't get the success in terms of record sale, but what it mean for enough Jamaican and in a Jamaican art youth, if you know that when Ninja Man sing living on free food ticket, not a money in your pocket, not a cent in your have. You know where that song they do pussy? You there chat? Eh? That song they bring the two opposition minister them together. The Labour Right government and the PMP government, which it was Edward Siaga and Michael Manley. And them shake on that Ninja Man do. And if you know nothing about political violence and know what go on in the country of Jamaica them time, the pussy if you see a man do that, you have to know if you know nothing about PMP and Labour Right business, because you don't know the pace where the man they said that you can even about to chat up your mouth. Because them time there, a man like you can't about and chat up your mouth because you're a straight pussy. Either keep it his mouth, keep it his life. Them time, they are not like them time now, where you can run your mouth on internet and get bright with people and think everything good. No foul no man ever start correct on a blood clot. Anytime when you come on it and I run up on a bumbuckler mouth and I chat, you want to know about it. Remember, I'm tell you something, big up the Dan Gaga and Ninja Man. You have bumbuckler, dancehall grandfather and pussy if you know that. Watch it, General 10-star.